425. Our asking price is 450. Do I hear a 450 for lot 75? Any bidders? Yes, we have a 475 as a current bid, now going for 500. Do I hear a 500 for lot 75? Fair warning for this item. Last call for lot 75. Current bid of 475, going once and twice. Sold for 475 for lot. Move on to lot 80. For lot 80, our current bid is 26. Our asking price is 2,700. Any bidders for 27? Current bid of 26. 27 asking price. Fair warning. Last call. Going once, twice. Sold for 26. For lot 81, our current bid is 20,000. Our 85, our current bid is 500 pesos. Our asking price is 550. Any bidders for 550? Do I hear 550 for lot 85? Fair warning. Last call. Going once, twice, sold